Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Happens to be another one of our fantastic LS engines. We build one of the badass LS engines here. We stay quite busy with them also, if you have noticed. This one's a 441 cube, makes over 700 horsepower. Any model you're interested in, you can give us a call. This one happens to have hidden coil packs. There's a lot of different varieties of valve covers, intake manifolds, what have you. Here, we custom build each and every engine to order. So again, anything we can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video.